Food, beyond its role as sustenance, weaves intricate threads that bind us to our roots and culture. Let's explore this flavorful journey. Traditional food is an integral part of our cultural identity. It carries the echoes of our ancestors, their struggles, celebrations, and daily lives. Recipes passed down through generations are like handwritten letters from the past. They whisper stories of resilience, love, and survival. Cooking techniques, whether slow simmering, fermenting, or roasting, reflect the wisdom of our forebears. Each method is a brushstroke on the canvas of our heritage. Every country boasts a national dish, a culinary ambassador that embodies its essence. Think of sushi in Japan, paella in Spain, or pizza in Italy. These dishes are more than food, they're cultural symbols. They evoke landscapes, history, and shared memories. When we savor these iconic foods, we taste the very soil, sun, and sea that shaped our culture. Mealtimes are rituals, a symphony of clinking cutlery, laughter, and shared stories. Around the table, we connect with family, friends, and neighbors. Festivals and feasts celebrate our cultural calendar. From Thanksgiving to Lunar New Year, food becomes a bridge between generations. Cooking together, whether making dumplings, tamales, or baklava, forges bonds. It's a dance of hands, laughter, and love. Food carries symbolic weight. The Easter egg, the Hanukkah latke, or the Diwali sweets, each holds deeper meanings. Colors, textures, and presentation matter. Japanese cuisine, for instance, elevates aesthetics. Even the humblest meal can be a canvas for cultural expression. As people move across borders, so do their recipes. Immigrants carry flavors in their hearts. Fusion cuisine emerges, a delightful blend of traditions. Imagine Korean tacos, Indian curry pizza, or Thai basil spaghetti. These culinary hybrids celebrate diversity and challenge culinary norms. A spoonful of grandma's soup transports us. It's not just about taste, it's a hug from the past. Comfort foods, whether mac and cheese, congee, or injera, soothe our souls. They're edible nostalgia. Dining tables are diplomatic stages. Leaders break bread to build bridges. Cultural exchanges happen over shared meals. We learn about others through their food. In essence, food is our edible autobiography. It whispers our history, celebrates our diversity, and nourishes our souls. So let's savor every bite, a tribute to our roots and a celebration of culture.